Alright, hey guys. So this is green. This is my green DJ Jeep lighter. Oh my god, this stupid fly! Just get out of here. Okay, sorry about that. So anyway, I was wondering what was actually inside of these. So I'm gonna take my pliers and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside of it. So first, I'm going to take off this metal part right there. See if I can get it off. Let me see. Oh, there we go. Good grip. Okay, there we go. Right, get rid of the metal part. This is where... Alright, now, I think this is where all the magic happens in it. So there's the spark. And to prove to you that this is out of gas, I'm going to light this one. See, there's not even a flame on there. You can't even see it. It's so tiny. Alright, so now I'm going to open... Okay, so now over here, there's something under this little roller. Oh, shoot. Oh, God, oh, God. Okay, I'm just going to need to make another video for this.